Have you ever wondered how extreme weather can get on planets beyond our own? Picture this. Celestial bodies, or exoplanets, orbiting stars light years away, each with its own unique and often extreme weather patterns. Unlike the relatively mild conditions we are accustomed to on Earth, these exoplanets host a range of weather phenomena that are truly out of this world. From searing hot temperatures to icy cold desolations, the weather on these distant planets is as diverse as it is extreme. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the most extreme weather conditions known on exoplanets. We'll venture through glass storms, iron rains, scorching heat, frozen desolation, and supersonic winds. Each condition more extreme and fascinating than the last. So strap in. We're about to traverse the vast expanse of the cosmos, where the laws of nature as we know them are stretched to their limits. Prepare to embark on a journey beyond your wildest weather dreams. Imagine a world where it rains shards of glass sideways. Welcome to HD 189733b, a striking blue exoplanet located 63 light-years away from us. This alien world is not blue with tranquil oceans like Earth, but rather its color is the result of a horrifying weather phenomenon, glass storms. These aren't your ordinary earthly storms. HD 189733b is famous for its extreme temperatures, which soar up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It gets so hot that silicates in the atmosphere condense to form tiny particles of glass. But the terror doesn't stop there. The planet's ferocious winds, some of which reach speeds of up to 5,400 miles per hour, whip these glass particles into a frenzied storm. The result? A sideways rain of molten glass that would make any earthly storm seem like a gentle drizzle. Next, we'll venture to a world where it doesn't just rain, it pours molten iron. Welcome to WASP 76b, where you'd need more than an umbrella to stay dry. Imagine a world where it doesn't just rain water, but it pours molten iron from the sky. Yes, you heard that right, Iron Rain. This is the reality on WASP 76b, a gas giant exoplanet situated some 640 light-years away from us. Here's how it works. The side of WASP 76b that constantly faces its star reaches temperatures so high they vaporize metal. This metallic vapor then travels with the winds to the planet's cooler night side. As the temperature drops on this side, the vapor condenses and falls as a rain of molten iron. It's an environment that's truly alien to us, a place where the weather forecast would include showers of shimmering liquid metal. So the next time you find yourself grumbling about a little drizzle on Earth, remember the iron rains of WASP 76b. If you thought that was hot, wait until you see the next planet. Ever complain about a hot summer day? Kelt 9b would make you reconsider. If you think our sun's surface is hot, then you haven't met Kelt 9b, an exoplanet with a temperature that outshines most stars in the universe. Just imagine a world where the heat is so intense that it could vaporize most molecules, creating a hostile environment unlike any we know on Earth. So what's the deal with this scorching hot exoplanet, located some 670 light-years away? Kelt 9b orbits its star, Kelt 9, in a tight, blistering path. And we're talking about temperatures that reach over 7,800 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than some stars. This extreme heat prevents the formation of clouds, unlike here on Earth where water vapor condenses to form these fluffy wonders. Instead, the high temperatures on Kelt 9b vaporize molecules, making the atmosphere a blazing inferno. Just imagine stepping outside to a day hotter than a star. From fiery hot, we now journey to the extreme cold. Bundle up as we visit Ogle 2005 BLG 390LB, the ice queen of exoplanets. Welcome to a world where bitter cold isn't just a season, it's a way of life. This exoplanet, often referred to as Hoth after the icy planet from Star Wars, is a stark contrast to the scorching heat of Kelt 9b. Ogle 2005 BLG 390LB is located approximately 20,000 light-years away from us, and about 3 times the distance from its star than Earth is from the Sun. This massive separation results in some of the most extreme cold conditions known in the cosmos. The surface is a frozen desolation, with temperatures plunging low enough to freeze carbon dioxide, creating a landscape reminiscent of dry ice. Imagine the coldest day on Earth, and then multiply that feeling many times over. That's a day in the life on Ogle 2005 BLG 390LB, a world where the term Ice Age takes on a whole new meaning. Finally, let's experience the supersonic winds of HD 80606b. Hold on to your hats, we're heading into the supersonic winds of HD 80606b. This exoplanet, located about 190 light-years away from us, is famed for its supersonic winds, blowing at a staggering speed of over 2 million miles per hour. Now, you may wonder, what causes such intense winds? The answer lies in HD 80606b's highly eccentric orbit. Unlike Earth, which follows a nearly circular path around the Sun, HD 80606b swings in a wide ellipse around its host star. This results in dramatic temperature changes on the planet's surface, creating an atmospheric pressure cooker. As the planet draws near its star, the side facing the star heats up to a staggering 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit, while the other side remains in the chilly darkness. This temperature difference sets up fierce winds, blowing from the heated side to the cooler side at supersonic speeds. From glass storms to iron rain and supersonic winds, the weather on exoplanets makes Earth's weather seem quite mild. Exoplanets offer a glimpse into the extremes of nature. Our cosmic journey has taken us to 5 distant worlds, each with their unique extreme weather patterns. We've witnessed the glass storms of HD 189733b, where temperatures rise to 2,000 degrees and it rains glass sideways. Then there's WASP 76b with its iron rains, a sight as mesmerizing as it is terrifying. We've felt the scorching heat of Kelt 9b, hotter than most stars, and endured the frozen desolation of Ogle 2005 BLG 390LB, where temperatures plummet way below freezing. And let's not forget the supersonic winds of HD 80606b, racing at over 10,000 miles per hour across the planet's surface. These exoplanets remind us of the diversity and extremes of weather conditions in the universe, a reminder of how mild our earthly weather can be. So next time you complain about the weather, remember, it could always be raining molten iron or glass shards.